Hey there, welcome to H.T Dharmadasa Plantation Co. This is the episode 3 of chili farming with the help of ChatGPT. Today we are going to talk about protection. Now it's time to keep the future chili plants safe. We are cutting timber poles to set up the protective net around the plantation. This will help us protect the chili plantation from peacocks and other animals. Today I'll show you how it's done step by step.
If I drown, would you pull me back to you? If I drown in your poison.
So this is the net we are using to protect the chili plantation. It's actually a green fish net. You might be wondering why a fish net. It's affordable and it's flexible and it's strong. Most importantly, it works. Just like in this plantation. This is the first plantation. It works perfectly. You can see how we attach the net to the poles. With this net, it ensures that peacocks can't get into the plantation. This net is around 7 feet tall and 300 feet in length. It's a very simple solution. This is what farming is. It's not actually the fancy things we need to do. It's about what things actually works. We have begun to dig the ground to fit the poles.
In your poison. If I drown, would you pull me back? If I drown in your poison.
Alright, we have managed to dig the 4 main holes for the main timber poles. There is the one is here and one is here and other one is there and the next one is here. So this is the structure, and between these main timber poles there will be another 2 or 3 timber poles going to support the net. So now we are going to dig the other holes to timber poles. Alright, we have completed the net fixing. You see?
If I drown, would you pull me back to you? If I drown,
Last part is to tie the net with a metal wire so that it will not move even if it is windy. Now he is cutting the wires. Alright guys, this is the end of episode 3. Today we managed to fix the protecting net around the plantation. Next step is to expand the sprinkler system. If you love this series, please like, comment and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next episode. Bye.
I want you to know